He wants to play with Abby so bad. And Abby's like just ignoring him. You got something to say? You see him, hear him making all that noise? You hear him making all that noise? No, I'm talking about you making the noise. Bonnie, what is that? What is that that was sniffing you? Oh, when he takes off running, he's so fast I can't keep up with him with the camera. He's hiding under the chair. Whoa! Now he's teasing Abby.